Okay, I want to make jollof rice, okay? My way of making jollof rice. This is the rice. I'm washing it, okay? After washing it, then I'm gonna cook it my own way. I'm not a professional for jollof rice, but I'll try, all right? Hopefully you guys can help me out, okay? All right, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the jollof rice. Okay, yep. And of course, I have to put vegetable in it. That's the only way my kids will eat it. All right. So I'm gonna put the vegetable soon when it start boiling. All right. Okay, stay tuned. And this is my parapo. I say parapo jollof rice. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna see. Gonna taste so good. Okay. Cover it up. All right. As usual, I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable. Yeah, this is the only way my kids will eat it. If I still made they not. Okay. But when I put it in my food, in the rice, they thaw it up. Okay? Mixed vegetable. Mixed vegetables. Everything is here: corn, carrot, peas, and all that. All right. Yeah. See how good it looks? I wait for two. Okay. Yep. There you go. It kind of look like jollof rice, but it's not fried, so it's not jollof rice. Okay. Kind of look like that. But you can call it whatever you want to call it: jollof rice, barapo rice, fried rice, whatever. Yeah. So, okay, I got everything in it. I got oil, everything I want to put in, and let it cook. Okay. I'll show you when it's done. Okay. The, the rice is done. Okay. This is the rice. Ooh, the steam won't let me video. All right, so yeah, the rice is done. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna dish it out. I'll show you. Okay.